Hello! Happy New Year everyone! Today I am playing ML. May bubuhatin ako ditong isa.
Gusto ko
Pangit
dyan.
ng ano ko, camera.
Nanonood sa ibig ko.
Viewer. Hello, Maloy! I don't know who you are, but hello.
Gusto ko dyan.
So, the thing that I will be using is,
wala nanonood.
I don't know, maybe Uranus.
Or
Since this is an XP, just shut up ha. I'm
Gusto ko
thinking,
naman to. Magkakuli yung XP ang puta. Cancer yard.
just watch me use Ruby properly. Because Ruby,
Puto ka mga be.
oh my gosh. Now that there are, see that? May lights na kasi, may liwanag. May aso kasi. May aso nga eh, di ba? Don't you wanna join the live? Let's see po kung sino yung mag-MVP, si Pogi or ako. Hello sa aking mga 10 viewers dyan.
Lambot lang ng
Since, here's what will happen. If Pogi don't know how to use Harley correctly, I will be taking over his device. As Harley was complexity or difficulty is it's really difficult thing. It's hard to
Ano to,
use.
Albert? Button?
Don't ever even press that.
Ano to?
Pinapakita ng pwede.
Pwede? You could be reported.
Pwede.
Pwede ka ma-report.
Pwede, tama. Kahit ang pwede.
Someone report on you.
Sige.
Nana, papag-iawin lang ako na.
The game already started. I can now see the future. Bobo yung carpo namin. You wanna get what our score is? Obviously, it's Pogi.
Papakita pa ako.
Kaya nga umusok ka, diba?
Lobot ako ng goal.
Why did you press record?
Hindi napindot ko.
Don't you ever even have a presence of mind?
Kata ko, Mer.
Okay, I am facing against Freya. So I will be playing safe as she has some sort of immortality.
Hindi ka marunong mag-repeat.
Why would I pick Ruby if I don't know how to play Ruby? You think of it.
Dapat nagkakatlane ka, baliw.
I don't really need to. Sino sa atin kawawa ngayon, madam?
Mali na ang natin.
Lilia or Atlas? Oh my gosh, I am dominating Freya at the early game. I think she recalled herself to the base because as of now, I am now pushing the turret by just 1 minute and with the first minion waits. Very well. Since they have Atlas here.
Pwede yan?
Ayan. Wala ko narinig na ako level 12.
Wow. Wabi?
Ay, gago. Hindi. Univer, ano na? Opa. Wow, yeah. Wala pa, excited yard.
Was that the sound of you?
Ano na kaya level?
Don't ever make me use my SS.
Oh, ba yan?
Bagong lakap, putang na. Mamaya kayo sa motor ko.
Ay, sorry ba ako?
Mamaya kayo sa motor ko.
Since Freya is a little bit impatient,
Baka sabihin niya ganun, pero hindi kita dinadalawan. Dadalawan mo na para manang
wag muna.
Putang ina mo.
Now that I use my SS, sabi ko wag nga muna, di ba? Ikaw naman. Akin na nga lang yan.
Okay na, okay na to.
Yes, I could give that to you. And even if you not get that, I know that you will use your retry just to get that golden hermit crab. Aren't you not?
I-invade ko to pala.
See guys, so far we're winning, but I don't know how long will this last. Because it seems to me, really? Will you ever even face me?
Oy! Ano na, Julian? Ano na, Julian?
Can you see? You've got so many minions here. I don't know how long will you last. Lilia, what will you do?
Ano na, Oliver? Ano gagawin?
Atlas!
Oy! Ito, patay to, Alpo.
Oh my! You've killed Alpha kung nga nagpakahirap. NSS-an mo lang. Yes? Those were just ito ka lang maloko. So far we're winning. The one that is leading us is the Harley, Pogi. But don't worry about that. All of my fans wouldn't be disappointed at me because I'm Josh. You know me, aren't you? You know me. At the end, I always come out up top. Oh my, since I wouldn't let Freya push the top because I am the one guarding it. So, what are you waiting for, Atlas? I'm here.
Ano na, magsalita yung mahina dyan. May gawin na ako, pag dito gagawin tayo mahina.
You know what? I'm very disappointed at Atlas.
Ano, magaling nga siya.
No, his score is 112.
Kaya di mo lang.
How can you say that he is magaling? It's not even about the score, it's about his movement. He doesn't have a timing. He just wasted one of his skills.
Panay! Kita mo yung Jalaber?
Did you manage to kill Julian?
Panay!
But their Julian is gap na. Level 7.
Marunong ako.
You were level 9.
Hindi mo kasi alam yung marunong ano yung more ibig sabihin ako.
Really, will you ever even fight me in front of all of your minions?
Hindi niya po alam yung ibig sabihin ako. Kaya di siya marunong. Sa ko.
See, okay, who managed to kill Freya? Of course, it's me. None other than Josh.
Ay, gago! Patay ako, sorry.
Don't worry, one of you will kill Layla.
Kapatay ko si Layla?
Di ba you put an SS on it? And,
Nice trade, nice trade.
Harley was about positioning 1. Now it got 2. It turns. Even Lawrence joined us, so do you wanna see him? Lawrence John, even Aguilar.
Kala ko yan. Okay lang po.
Sorry,
Hindi
Freya.
ko marunong yan na natin.
I don't have energy to fight you now.
Dito ko. Hindi, magano kayo. Nandiyan talaga kayo labar. Sige lang. Hindi ko tutulungan ko.
Panis, brilliant control. Brilliant control. Si Alpha isang hit na lang, oh. Brilliant control. Ang galing mo, inubos ang namin skill, no?
Ano, Maniac? Ano, Maniac?
So, say thank you to us that you got a maniac. Because without us, you wouldn't get even 1 kill.
Wala. Sadyang ngayon ako lang. Tanggap na naman.
Tanggap na rin kita, Pogs, na magpapasalamat ka sa akin.
Abangan ko yung preya mo.
Tinatanggap ko ang iyong apology. Look at you. Look at you.
Ang tatabol. Tignan ko yung sarili ko. Ay, nagbubuhat lang naman.
Look at you. Now look at me.
Ano, yung mitik niyang kakampi.
I'm now.
Aray ko. Sakit. Wait lang. Isi ka lang. Isi ka lang. Mamamatay kayo lahat.
Sayang, I think it's a little bit of my fault. Oh my gosh, masyado ko namang inatat si Laila.
Ano ba yan? Sobrang
Luckily, their Larla isn't that good. Her score is 1-4.
Oh,
What are you doing, Freya? Can't you see us? Ang dami namin dito. Oh my gosh, naka-KS.
KS yun?
May gamit niya katalogo.
Pang, palobo. Wala po, Ate Sisa. Nanghiram lang kami kanila kambal.
May pasi ba ito?
I think I could even find you.
Ay, go! Doon,
Patay ka na, ano. I thought that since Atlas was there to help me, that he would get the kill. Do you think so? No, I don't think so. You will be the one who will get the MVP.
Kami na ngayon, pero kasi ikaw lagi dinadala ko kayo. Alas palati ng sagot sa akin.
My gosh! Ayoko na! Visit na Freya. Hindi ako nilalabanan. Nakita lang Atlas. Kaya niya SS ko.
Pero bakit hindi ka niya nilalabanan?
Why?
Wala naman ako sa patay ka sa akin, ano? Laila? Patay ka kahapon, Laila. Ano kayo? Bye-bye.
Mamamatay ang obsidia. Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Where are you, Pogi? Mamamatay ka, Pog! Sino ba yan? Yeah, sa akin.
Hindi.
Sa akin yan. Diba? My skills are at its prime.
Tara, Lars. Lars nyo na kayo naman.
Oh my gosh! Ayos ka lang. Sobrang dami nyo rito, tapos may minions pa.
Ayos ka lang. Ayos ka lang. Ayos ka lang.
Sayang, 4 sila.
Patay naman sa akin.
Wag Pogs, may alpha dyan. Yan, good.
Oh! Baka kayo dito. Sabi ko, baka kayo dito.
It's my first time dying on ML.
Init, putang ina naman.
You could sit here. This is the blind spot. You couldn't be seen in the...
Naman, bisa ko.
Saka dyan, kita ka dyan. Ay, hindi pala.
Lokas, oy!
Nararamdaman ko nang mahirapan kami. Hindi magaling yung tank.
Sorry.
Ako na nga lang kaya mag-atlas.
Marunong naman yung ito, so.
Did you notice something? Yeah, he knows how to use his hero, but using it properly was very different.
Ay! Grabe ba? Grabe mo movements yan.
Pogs, can you support me? Oh my gosh. I thought that I would clutch still among may kakampi the Lord.
Okay.
Gago, dami namin.
Tungtong tower. Ay, grabe ba? Tower. Tungtong tower. Tungtong tower. Triple girl mo. Ay, ano na? Ay, napalit mo lang sa akin.
Nabububuhan talaga ako sa atlas, no matter what you do.
Kape. Asarin ko sila kayo. Kape. Kape.
Lalayo ko yung atlas. Ayun, ano.
So, lagi na ako. NCP na naman. Grabe talaga ako mag-ano.
Galing ko yan.
Wala na.
Galing ko yan.
Pogi ko na, galing ko po mag-gardening.
Tama yan.
Triple kill.
Marami kang kulay.
Ay, kaya ko paano yun. Baka malimulit ako.
Kasi hindi bunto kita na sister.
Ay, naku, sila grabe. Paldo yung mamaya. Nagmamanicure. Sa baba.
Pag sumalis ka na, mabubuhay ng kalaban. Ang kulit eh.
Kailan ba ang gupit mo?
Malit.
Yun na.
Pangit niya eh, kakagising ko pa lang eh.
Tignan mo kasi kay Liber. Tignan mo kasi score mo sa akin. Ay, baby ka pa? Baby ka pa. Oo mo naman score natin ah. Ikaw lang hindi ka makatingin sa kanya. Mukhang nahirapan na kaya nang wala ako ah.
Sila. Hindi na ako MVP Pogs.
Ilainom ka muna gamot.
Na-style ako ni Aurora.
Gamot
Ito talaga pag may hina. Tagbog ko naman ganyan na may hina.
Now I'm a little stressed with the way that this game is playing out.
Ako na red back bago ko nga.
Oh no. Be careful, Pogs. Go. Kala ko yung lang na inatake mo. Hindi ka naka-ano.
Sorry.
Hindi ka naka-target. Kung hindi lang siguro ako nagam.
Patay tayo dito. Ikaw ako. Ganda ka. Bawat mo na ako isa. Kailangan na. Wala ba yung ano? Ay! Mali!
Pag spray save tayo. Hindi ako tank build eh. Don't forget that hindi ako tank build.
Bawat mo na ako, hindi ko kasi malit sa boy. Makakabdi ang line eh. Okay. Yung Aurora eh talaga eh. Nakakapi ko yung Aurora.
Kaya nga eh.
Tara, alert tayo, Marco.
Folks, be careful. Baka may isasang ka ni Alpha dyan.
Alert ba? Alert na tayo.
May Freya pa sila. Hindi ako tank build
Wala
eh.
naman Cornelia, tara. Tara pala yan.
Tulog pa. Papasay na naman yung kanil. Dahil, pa muna kayo TV sa kwarto. Alit sila.
Folks, yung Alpha Coca. Okay lang, may flicker ako. Umaya to sa aking Aurora.
Kaya mo na.
Hindi pa patay yung Aurora. Pogs, ingat. Ano yung base?
Hindi, nasa Manila.
Back na Pogs.
Yan.
Papatayin mo nga yung line eh.
Patay ko nga. Dadaan naman sa dito.
Baka natin Pamalia guys ako. Kung hindi ko inatouch yung Aurora nila. Saka yung kanina kung hindi ko.
Ako nila.
Siguro ito yung YouTube.
Na. Hindi ko tinawag yung Aurora eh. Pati ba to? Wala, okay. Walang base pang Aurora. Bago ko bro.
Wala, ang lakas pala ng ano.
Ay, derpit na ako. Ano pa to eh?
Kala na nga. Kala niyo, napakamatay ka. Kala ko kaya ko yung Alpha. How come that I couldn't go face to face with Alpha?
Nga po nga pala. Nice, what? Nice.
Patay pa yung ano, basic natin.
Na, mamaya na magbubugan, no? Turutok muna.
How come na naka 30 kills si Pogs?
Patay ko yung Laila.
Magta-tank build na ako.
Ito talaga kayo.
Since it's been 19 minutes na naman.
Ay, gago mali.
Kapata mamamatay Pogs na.
Yes, bro.
Ayun, ginagawa.
Napindot ko kagad yung Facebook.
Pogs, I need money. Punong-puno ka na ng pera.
Darami talaga natin. Pero kasi ito, tara. Pwede namin palagi. Tara, mid natin. Kaya to. Ay, gago ko. Ano pala ako? Defensor lang kayo ba? Dad, pinunta mo sa tower. Huwag na. Uy.
Patay pa nga. Ang lakas pala ng Alpha.
Uy, obsidia. Putang ina mo. Matatapos na tayo lahat-lahat dito. Gago ka. Pre, dito pre. Ganyan lang. Hindi makakatapagtagal lang. Putang ina naman kasi yung tigil. Dard.
Tapos na.
Lalo na, pangin na.
Now, I'm very disappointed, guys. Kanina lang, ang saya-saya ko. Pero nagkamali rin naman ako eh. Maraming beses. I've stumbled. I've cried. I thought kaya ko, but I wasn't really able to assess. I'm trying to replay everything in the background. Now, I'm just contented with the
mag-live.
result.
Putang ina eh.
Ay, nako. I keep on fighting with Aurora. I will now end this live. Sorry to say. I'm just sad.